What are we making right now?
I don't know.
Why are we making this?
Sonik.
Who is that?
Tails.
This is our next t-shirt design.
This is so gross
Next
looking.
t-shirt design.
I don't think anyone would buy this. And also, that's copyright, by the way.
It's not copyright. We're
And
copy
writing.
drawing, not copywriting us.
All right. It's just inspired. Like a Rick and Morty face. With the other tail.
He has two tails.
Yeah.
They call him Tails, not Tail.
I'm gonna like chili go out of the lines and shit. Like leave some of it
Yeah.
white.
Cortland's like, I'm doing that on purpose. That's an ear. He's got like an ear infection.
I think he's got more than an ear infection, Austin. Do I look like I'm becoming emo?
You look like you got lost in a fight. Dude, you look like you're about to raw XD on some girl.
Talking to me?
So right now,
You're gonna finally be able to kill yourself.
yeah, I've been waiting for this man. I do it all the time though. Putting a coin in, we're gonna use some good old gelatin, aka Jello. I'm gonna stir this, and you gotta keep stirring, keep it consistent. And then when I say do it, just start applying it. Like I said, this is really hard to get right, so don't be afraid.
Did you already put water in?
Yeah, you just put a little bit in. Scoop it with the spoon.
Yeah, it's probably a little easier.
So is this already like on really
I feel
solid?
like Ryan should have been the one doing this.
No.
I guess that's true. I always kind of forget Ryan's around.
Oh, you forget about you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It looks really good though. Like it literally looks like there's like skin on you. I mean, there's already skin on you, but there's more skin. Cool. We'll make another one.
Wow, why am I not surprised?
Ryan messed up. That was your chance, dude.
Every time.
That gives me a lot of anxiety.
The knife's not that sharp.
The knife looks like it's sharp though. Like, it looks like a freaking sword.
Like a bayonet.
How you doing there?
I got a headache.
Ah, looks pretty
Can
good.
you go to the hospital?
I'm feeling a little queasy.
You might have ringworm.
Really?
Alright, Cortland. Go hard.
3, 2, 1.
Oh god.
That thing's stuck on. Sonic's training to get past Area 51's bullets.
Looks like we don't need Kyle's anymore.
Santa, can you teach me how to be a good runner like you?
No. Oh, you're human.
I want you to explain to us how to be a fit person, Sonic.
Mario, listen, so what you gotta do? You have to be real fit. Mario, I'm coming for you.
This here?
Ugh.
Does it matter where I put the first set?
Whatever makes me look good for Sonic.
Oh, he's got all over his face, huh?
Yeah. This is like Serge's dream, just to make me uncomfortable.
I'm just trying to be accurate, dude.
Yeah. The things I do for these videos sometimes.
Is this not enough? What do you want from me, Tails?
Love.
Yeah, I think
Tails.
I got some good shots.
Okay.
It looks better now than it did before.